Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to Universe Sandbox.
What is this?
It's a simulation game. It's space, the final frontier.
Are you trying to channel Star Trek, or are you trying to channel Space Corps? Because it kind of sounded like both. Okay.
What's Space Corps?
What?
Is that a genre of music?
Oh, that's a good point. You played
Space
Portal
Corps. But what do you do?
You know, when you were saying hurry up, I didn't think it was because you were gonna pass out soon.
Yeah. Welcome back. It smells like Up Gamers, the Let's Play that stinks.
It certainly does, but what's up, gamers?
What? Oh, I wasn't even doing the intro.
Too
welcome
bad.
back to the show.
Oh my god, you're so good at this.
Bubs, tell us the space fact.
Space is very big, and we don't actually know if it's infinite or not.
Wow, isn't it not infinite because the universe only goes up until the speed of light?
Okay, so I can now start saying
Look,
some
it's
actual
the moon
knowledge.
And it's giving the
no,
big
shut
suck.
up, you asked me for knowledge.
It's the big suck.
What? Did you turn up gravity? What is happening?
I turned up gravity on the moon.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What do you have? You turned up the mass, source shield radius is a fixed thing. Interesting, okay. So I will say the space fact, though. So, the universe, as far as we can tell, there's like a finite size to the observable universe, but that's a very, limited fact. It could be infinite beyond what we can see. We can only see so far.
So space is only what you can see. You need to see it to believe it. So does that mean that if you haven't done the light up, if the light hasn't reached the edge of, if the light hasn't reached the edge of the universe, it doesn't exist? Hang on, I'm making Saturn really big. Look at it, it's exploding.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Ooh, and it's headed straight for the moon.
Wait, what? What have you done?
It's headed straight for the moon.
Oh my god.
There we go. Deimos is. Oh god, it's all just going towards the moon, my friend.
I would love to give
Neptune,
the audience a little bit of context.
Neptune, I can save you. Hang on, I can save Neptune.
Jesus.
Neptune, you have been saved.
Whoa.
Pew! It's like an interstellar light gun.
So as we were sitting here before starting, Blue just goes, hey Bubs, how much do you know about astrophysics? And I went, what? What are you even talking about? He's like, what do you know about astrophysics?
Oh no, now
like,
Neptune is giving the big suck.
And now he's just thrown me into this. Like, this is the extent of planning that's happened. This is good.
We couldn't get Cluster Truck to work and I was getting impatient.
No, we could, it just OBS didn't want to work. Let's put the blame properly here.
Okay, yeah, OBS didn't work. Yeah. Check out these orbits. Check out Sedna and yeah, Sedna is it's an Oort belt. Oort cloud object is really irregular and it's beyond the orbit of Pluto.
Said nuts on your face.
I said, nah, we're not doing this, man.
Okay, isn't this Universe Sandbox? Why are we only in a galaxy? Wait a sec, did we just zoom out? What just happened?
Oh, I'm pulling up the menu.
Oh, I thought I got
Let's check
sniped and
this
you
one out.
immediately
This is a
zoomed all the way
tidally heated moon.
out. Habitable moon? No.
Yeah, it's a habitable moon. The moon is not in.
Oh my god, man.
You can't
oh my god,
moon.
man. Jesus.
Did you know you can't moon?
Well, I can. I mean, I'll moon you.
Don't moon me! I don't want to see that. That is assault. I don't have to take it, and I am reporting you to HR.
Find HR first. We don't have an HR department. No one can save you, Blue.
Oh God. Anyway, this is the moon. It's tidally heated. If you look at the temperature, it says that the average temperature is 16°C, which is what losers use because the real temperature should be F.
Kelvin.
Kelvin is for winners.
There you go, 289 Kelvin.
Ranking is for real winners.
Oh, is there no ranking on this? Okay, this game is
I
bad,
can't believe
actually.
there's no ranking on this. Bubs, what is the math? What is the ranking temperature, and why is it the best temperature?
Well, it's the best temperature because it's the top on the rankings. Yeah!
Yeah! Whereas C stands for Celsius, and as we all know, C is for losers.
I just learned that ranking is apparently to Fahrenheit like Kelvin is to Celsius. I didn't know that.
Wait, what does that analogy mean?
Do you know how to get from Celsius to Kelvin and vice versa?
I know how to get to Celsius from Fahrenheit. You do some shitty math.
Ain't that the truth? The way to get from Celsius to Kelvin is you just add a number. Oh.
Here's how to use Celsius. You switch systems!
The way to use Celsius is go Celsius to Fahrenheit converter on Google.
The way to use Celsius is Celsius these nuts.
My god, how are you still, like, present? How are you mentally capable right now?
Here's the ultimate engineered system. How many planets can you cram into the habitable zone of a star system? I don't know,
are there objectives to this game, or is it just straight up?
Oh no, this is just a sandbox.
Well, it makes sense given the name Sandbox, but I was wondering if there are like even mini objectives. Like, you know, Minecraft, is Minecraft a sandbox?
I think.
At some point it definitely was.
It's a
what I was gonna
sandbox.
Say. Yeah, but there's like achievements.
There are credits
and
now.
objectives.
Yeah, there's an end game. What'll happen if, folks? Here's a science hypothesis. Bubs, are you ready for the science hypothesis? What will happen if I take the mass of the sun and I 1000 it?
That's not a hypothesis. That's a question.
Oh my god, look at it! The hypothesis was correct!
Wow! You didn't make a hypothesis!
Oh my god, I can't believe we tested the null hypothesis and it was true!
He's saying science words!
I'm saying science. Let's put Europa in orbit many, many times.
Many Europas.
Many Europa.
But it's very circular. It's not doing, like, in spiral. Why is it not doing in spiral?
Because I've got it to the circular orbit.
Oh, it's nice and, like, balanced or something, which is probably why it's moving so fast.
Did you know I can launch Beetlejuice at the sun?
Oh my god. I didn't know Beetlejuice was that big.
Apparently I launched Beetlejuice away from the sun. Oh yeah, Beetlejuice is like one of the largest stars.
Ooh.
But the biggest one is like this one, the Vi Canis Majoris, and that's the biggest star. Well, at one point it was whoa, and you know it's big because it's like, whoa, that's a big star.
Whoa,
anyway,
oh god.
The sun died. And now Beetlejuice and these guys are gonna duke it out.
Why is it turning? Whoa!
Whoa! That's a big star.
Why is it turning blue? Huh?
I don't know. The supernova temperature. Let's launch
So true.
We're gonna orbit the pool ball.
No, it's not a supernova temperature thing, because they turned blue like as they were colliding. I don't know what was happening. I'm kind of disappointed in the sense of I couldn't remember if this is the game that did this or not, but I always like seeing the videos of the like over-the-top physics simulator universe things where it's like you collide two planets and you see it just completely disintegrate and like warp around each other and all that stuff.
Oh,
you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, here we can do the. We're gonna take Moors.
Wait, does it actually work? Does it this one?
We're gonna take Moors. I think maybe it is. Who knows?
Okay, buddy. Don't think too hard over there.
I'm thinking so hard right now. We're learning science. Bubs, tell us some more space facts. Here's one. What temperature is space?
It's about, I think, 3 Kelvin or so.
Okay.
On average, pretty cold.
Is temperature hot or cold? Because technically, you say it's 3 Kelvin, which sounds cold. However, temperature is the measurement of the particles that are going around in the space. And technically, the particles in space are really hot, but it's just that there's so few of them that the temperature doesn't register very often. So isn't
Yes.
space technically hot?
Temperature is a very, very fickle concept.
Tell us about temperature while I throw Earth into Mars at a speed.
Yep. At a speed. Temperature is one of those things that, like, if you're in a normal human experience, it makes sense, because temperature usually is just defined as something like average speed of a molecule times some constants that make units work out certain ways. But averages depend on there being a lot of things. So if you go into space and there's not a lot of things, as you so aptly pointed out, temperature gets a little bit more finicky. Like, if you only have one hydrogen thing floating around, you don't have a good sense of average, so you don't have a very good sense of temperature always. So you have to be very holistic when you try and consider these things.
Wow, I was
It's a
not
mess.
listening to any of that.
I know, but hopefully someone was, and if you
Check it
are,
out.
look up temperature.
It's
Oh,
2
yeah.
Earths. Oh, oops, I went too fast.
Yeah, it's just a little bit too fast. Gotta go back.
I went at 8 seconds per second, which is my favorite unit of speed.
That is a unit. Well, actually, it's not.
8 seconds per second? What are you talking about?
The seconds cancel. You have no more unit.
Oh my god, the answer is just 8!
Yeah!
That was it!
So, okay, now do it slower so we can see all of the...
I'm trying, they don't make it easy.
Try harder.
No. You can't tell me what to do.
You gotta zoom in.
Okay, I've got 2 Earths.
They're kind of far apart.
Like that poem.
What?
I don't know if there's a poem called 2 Earths, but it sounds like a poem that would exist.
That booty like 2 planets. No, it's too fast!
No, I'm getting them close to each other so they can kiss.
Well, zoom in more.
Oh no,
I
it's
wanna
going
see.
too fast. Help. Oh god, help.
Oh, what in the world did
Oh
you just
god,
do?
what am I doing?
Just zoom in, man.
Oh god, help, I can't.
Oh god, they're gonna collide. We're not gonna
How
see
do I
it.
regular click? I found it. I found the regular click button.
Proud of you. Oh, no, not that one.
There we go.
There we go. There we go.
Okay, here we
Okay.
go. Are you ready?
I actually am. I hope
Now,
it does what
when
I
a
want it to
mommy
do.
Earth and a daddy Earth love each other very much.
Oh, that's still... That's okay. That's
Boo.
okay. Yeah.
They make a new egg.
I didn't know Earth was a reptile.
Yeah. Well, no, it's a mammal.
I don't think
There's
mammals
mammals
lay
on
eggs. And mammals don't lay eggs, Blue.
I mean, they have egg. I lay eggs. Fellas.
What?
Because, like, you know, you lay and eggs.
Blue is banned from several supermarkets.
Oh god, there's another Earth. Help.
Oh, it's coming in. Oh no.
Oh lord, it's going in.
Egg
Now, folks, I want you to watch this closely. Very closely. We're gonna slow it down. This is a real simulation of
This is a real simulation.
This is a real simulation. This ain't no fake simulation. This is what happens at 1 second per second. Every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute passes.
Oh my god.
And I want you to know that.
You know, I didn't know that it was gonna be that slow.
Yeah, well, they're far apart.
Yeah, but they're pretty
So I'm gonna
heavy.
speed it up to times 20.
Okay.
Are you ready?
20 seconds per second?
Yeah, where's the berry center of these berries?
Probably between them.
Who is Barry, and why do we care so much about the center?
He was a pretty important dude. He sang like those songs. I can't, quick, name a single Barry Manilow song.
Barry... Who's Barry Manilow?
God dang it, Blue!
Why would you ask me a music question?
You know, you got me there.
This is your fault.
Yeah...
Oh my god!
Chuck Berry. That's also a musician.
Barry... These nuts in your mouth.
There we go. If you didn't say it, I was gonna.
Woo! You know what this looks like?
Your booty like 2 planets?
I was gonna say it looks like 2 balls.
I mean...
Wow.
That is what's happening.
Wow, and it's exploding.
Oh no.
And Kepler 10b is next to it. That's a small star.
That is a small star.
Is that a star? Or is that like a brown dwarf?
Brown dwarfs are stars, aren't they?
They're proto-stars, aren't they? A fun fact about brown dwarfs. Brown dwarfs are stars that are... How much bigger than Jupiter are they? 50-ish times?
The important thing is you just said they're stars.
Yeah, oh. Brown dwarfs, despite how racist and offensive it sounds, is a name for a star that is larger than Jupiter, and it's big enough to, like, it can fuse lithium, but it can't actually fuse hydrogen or helium. So it only gives off, like, a really small amount of radiation.
Interesting.
Did you know that?
I didn't. See, you know more space facts. I know physics facts. You know space facts.
Tell me a physics fact.
So if you put two gravitating bodies, you can do the two-body problem, and this is a very, very standard thing that everyone learns in their, not necessarily intro level, but next level physics course.
The only two-body problem I have is when I need to make her breakfast in the morning, am I right?
Alright, well then I'm gonna one-up you with the next one, because the three-body problem...
The only three-body problem I have is when I need to make them breakfast in the morning, right?
Why is that a problem, Blue? What's the problem with that, Blue? You got some... What's wrong with making people breakfast?
Yeah, I gotta do work.
Wow, complaining? Shame on you. The rest of my fun fact, the physics fact, two-body problem, totally solvable. Everyone does it in undergrad, way easy problem. Three-body problem, completely unsolvable.
Wow, sounds like a nerd issue.
Yeah, pretty much. You can't solve it. You gotta
I solved
go
the
straight to
three-body
computers.
problem. What's wrong with you losers?
No, you
I
didn't.
made them
You still
breakfast
haven't
in
made
the
him
morning.
breakfast. No, you didn't.
I said it's a problem, not it's unsolvable. Oh my god, what's gonna happen here? Watch out for hat 9P9B. Oh
Hat
my
9P.
god. Help.
Whoa.
Oh god.
Oh, they binaried.
Oh god, Kepler 9B, what are you doing, man? What's wrong with you?
Now it's Kepler 94c.
Holy shit, I can't believe
It's
it evolved
gone
into a new
plaid.
Pokemon.
It's gone plaid!
Wow, this is ludicrous. What's going on over here? What's happening, HD?
Shout out to the
Holy
obscure
smokes.
reference. Oh, that's cool.
Toy 1296B and this black dude.
Oh, there is a thing there. I'm like, what is it rotating around?
Dude, what is wrong with this?
That is not quite a black
There we go,
hole.
I found it.
There we go.
Wow.
That's pretty. It's got
That's
some
so
blue.
pretty. It's
Ooh.
orbiting. This one is 5.29 Jupiters. This one is only 1/3 of a Jupiter.
Oh, yeah. You're looking down there, okay.
And yet, they're the same size. You know what that means?
That means one of them is dense.
That this
One
one
is dense.
has a density that's way lower.
Wow.
Wow. I'm just about done.
Yeah.